Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tuturuan ko kayo ngayon kung paano gumawa ng putong puti. Let's go! Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa kusina para magluto. Tara! So, ayan na. Nandito na tayo. Hindi na ako lalabas para bumili ng gamit. Nandito na lahat. Naka-stock. Ayan. So, ayan na. Ngayon, first step. 1, 2, 3. I keep on blaming myself. I should have eaten my pride. How can I convince you? Is it a matter of time? Many times I hurt you with your foolish ways, oh girl. Now I know I have to pay the price. Is there a way to make you turn around?